Hi guys, welcome to Algebra 1 again. Today's lesson's over real number operations. This goes hand in hand with one of our previous lessons that talked about different types of numbers. Now we're going to learn how to actually work with those numbers. Adding real numbers. The rule for adding real numbers is that if the signs are the same, we add the numbers and the answer has the sign that they share. For example, if we have 7 plus 5, we take the 7 and the 5 and we add them together. That gives us 12. Then we take the sign that they share, which is positive, and put that on the answer. So 7 plus 5 is equal to positive 12. If we have negative 7 plus negative 5, we take the 7 and the 5, we add them together. That gives us 12. And then our answer takes the sign that they share, which is negative. So negative 7 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 12. If the signs are different, then we're going to use subtraction. We're going to take the bigger number and we're going to subtract the smaller number, and the answer is going to take the sign of the larger of the two numbers. For example, negative 7 plus 5. We're going to take the 7 and the 5, we're going to subtract them, and we get 2. Then we look for the sign of the bigger number, which is negative, so our answer to negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. Then we look at 7 plus negative 5, and again, we take the two numbers, the 7 and the 5, and we subtract them. 7 minus 5 is 2. Then we look at the sign of the bigger number, which comes from the 7, so our answer is 7 plus negative 5 is equal to positive 2. If we subtract real numbers, we're going to change the subtraction into addition, and then use our rules of addition that we just learned. And the way that we change subtraction to addition is we take the minus and we change it to plus the opposite sign of whatever number we had after that. And then we use the rules of addition. For example, if we start off with 3 minus 8, we're going to take that minus and we're going to turn it into a plus. And then we're going to change the 8 from positive to negative. So now we have 3 plus negative 8. And our rules of addition tell us that this is negative 5. Let's try it again. 7 minus negative 3. We do 7 plus, and then we change the sign of the negative 3 to positive 3. So we have 7 plus 3, which is 10. Multiplying real numbers. So when we're multiplying real numbers, we forget about the signs first. We always multiply the two numbers as positives together, and then we worry about the signs later. So let's first look at two positive numbers. We have 7 times 8. That's 56. If the signs are the same, then the answer will be positive. If the signs are different, then the answer will be negative. So in this case, the signs are the same, so our answer is positive 56. Now let's look at negative 7 and negative 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Both signs are negative, so then our answer should be positive. Then we have negative 7 times positive 8. 7 times 8, still 56. Signs are different, so our answer is negative. 7 times negative 8, we do 56 again. Signs are different, so the answer is negative 56. Division of real numbers. We treat this just like multiplication, where we always do the division first, and we worry about the signs later. The rule about the signs is the same as the ones we learned for multiplication. If the signs are the same, then the answer will be positive. If the signs are different, then the answer will be negative. So let's look at our examples. 63 divided by 6 is 9. Both signs are the same, so our answer is positive. Negative 63 divided by negative 6. 63 divided by 6 is 9. Signs are the same. Answer is positive. Negative 63 divided by positive 6. 63 divided by 6 is 9. Signs are different, so answer is negative. And finally, we have 63 divided by negative 6. That's still 9. Signs are different, so the answer is negative. Now let's talk about fractions. Fractions have to have the same denominator before we can add or subtract them. Then, once they've got the same denominator, we add or subtract the numerators, and the denominators stay the same. If we're multiplying fractions, we multiply the numerators together, and then we multiply the denominators together. When we're dividing fractions, we take the reciprocal of the second fraction, and reciprocal means we flip it. We change the numerator and the denominator, and then we turn it into multiplication. For example, if we have 4/5 divided by 6/7, we are going to take the second fraction, which is 6/7, and we are going to flip it to 7/6, and we're going to change from division to multiplication. Now, we take the top two numbers, the numerators, we multiply those, and we take the bottom two numbers, the denominators, and we multiply those. So the 4 times 7 gives us 28, the 5 times 6 gives us 30. So the answer is 28/30. But remember, we still have to reduce it. That concludes our lesson on real number operations. Please make sure you do the post-lesson summary and quiz, and come prepared to class next time to do any assignments we have dealing with this topic. See you guys next time. Bye.